And yes, Meghalaya welcomes you. Sir, Railway Parcel Office. We are leaving too.
Leaving to Shillong,
But before that,
the checkpost, where we will get to know our fate.
you have to speak louder because the mic is here inside. So I will tell. Since I'm using the Sera, I don't have a microphone outside. It doesn't pick up enough audio. So we're leaving to Shillong, to the checkpost to find our fate, whether we'll be allowed to enter in or no. We have a COVID test report. We're not sure what kind of report that is because it says PCR test report. Worst case scenario, we'll not be allowed to enter today. So before all this, we are planning to go to the railway station to find out details about how we can ship our bike from here back to Bangalore. Because we are running out of time. Our schedule has become too tight. And these two guys have to reach Bangalore by 10th of Jan. I don't think we can ride all the way back. I'm not wearing my gloves since we're going to the railway station. It is about 9 kilometers from here. Thing is, we just came up with this decision last night. We'll try to send our bikes back home. So we'll go find out today at the railway station and we'll decide on our departure. Let's head to the railway station now. We reached Balaji Temple. The report that has to come by message is yet to come. So we haven't got that message. We only have the report given at the hospital. If that is valid, then they'll allow us into Meghalaya. We are riding through this market area. Look at him. Chicken, fish, dry fish, vegetables, fruits. And there it is, Guwahati railway station. पार्सल ऑफिस कहाँ है? आगे है ना? राइट में, लेफ्ट में है ना? ऐसे ही जा सकता है ना? थैंक यू. स्पीकर उठा भाई. गाड़ी पार्सल करने का कहाँ जाना है? हाँ, कैसा, कैसे जाना है यहाँ से? ये रास्ते सीधे बाहर जाके वो रेलवे ट्रैक पार करके उस तरफ जाना है. बाजार से उस तरफ जाना है. तो रेलवे स्टेशन से अंदर नहीं जा सकता है?
जा सकते हैं, पैदल जा सकते हैं.
गाड़ी पार्किंग में डाल के जा सकता है? नहीं, बैंगलोर से आए हम.
बेंगलुरु से आप बाई रोड है.
हाँ,
बाई रोड बेंगलुरु से ना.
हाँ. अरे फोटो पे कहते हैं. अभी जाते वक्त थोड़ा टाइम टाइट है ना, तो बाइक शिप करने के लिए सोच रहा है.
सही है यार, राइट होते हैं. यहाँ पे लगा दी गई. ऑफिस हम लोग सामने.
कैसे जा सकते हैं यहाँ पे इधर?
आपको कहाँ जाना है?
अभी वो इंक्वायरी करना है पार्सल करने का बाइक का.
पार्सल करने का बाइक है ना, 7 नंबर पे है आपका पार्सल ऑफिस. आप एक काम कीजिए,
ऐसे रास्ते
भी है इधर से नहीं देगा ना एंट्री ऑफिस वाला.
तो यहाँ से जाते वक्त वो फ्लाईओवर पार करके उस तरफ आना है क्या?
या तो आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, हाँ फ्लाईओवर है ना.
हाँ,
ये वाला रूट पकड़िए.
हाँ,
तो ये फ्लाईओवर जा रहा है ना उल्लूबाड़ी वाला.
हाँ.
तो राइट से फिर सीधा स्ट्रेट लेंगे. स्ट्रेट लेने के बाद एक पुलिस चौकी आएगी, पलटन बाजार पुलिस चौकी. वहाँ से जाइए. सीधा जाने के बाद फिर एक रेलवे फाटक है. वो फाटक से आप पार्सल में वहाँ से कुछ वहाँ थाने के पास पहुँचेंगे ना आप.
हाँ,
तो वहाँ पे आप किसी भी पूछ लीजिएगा कि पार्सल ऑफिस के लिए कौन सा वे है. 5 मिनट का रास्ता. आप सीधा गाड़ी वहीं ले लीजिए, वहाँ से डायरेक्ट आप जा सकते हैं.
हाँ, वही बात करके रहेंगे.
ठीक है,
थैंक यू. ऐसे ही जा सकता है. Paltan Bazaar. Yes, straight. सर, रेलवे पार्सल ऑफिस, बाइक पार्सल करने का रेलवे में.
पार्सल
हाँ,
भेजना है.
हाँ.
आप काम करो, वो पार्सल का इधर से जाओ.
इधर से जाएंगे ना?
इधर से. बस बस यहाँ से सीधा जाओ,
हाँ
सीधा जाके सीधा जाते रहो।
हाँ
बाएं साइड में आपको गेट मिलेगा रेलवे का,
हाँ
आदमी को पुष्टि से बता देगा। बाएं साइड में आपको बोलना है जब मैं इसको भेजना है,
हाँ।
ये करना है, आपको अखाड़ेगा।
Okay, this is Paltan Bazaar police station. Come to Paltan Bazaar police station and continue forward. सर ये पार्सल ऑफिस कहाँ है? यही है। Okay, finally found it. There is no one at the inquiry counter. सर बाइक पार्सल का इंक्वायरी, बाइक पार्सल करने का। हाँ बैंगलोर।
बैंगलोर तो बंद है,
बंद है।
बैंगलोर का कोई ट्रेन नहीं है जब तक चालू नहीं होगा।
ओके
साउथ का कोई भी गाड़ी नहीं है।
और अभी पैसेंजर ट्रेन भी नहीं है क्या? लगेज भी नहीं ले जा सकते?
कुछ नहीं,
कुछ नहीं है।
ट्रेनें नहीं है, वो रोड का कोई ट्रेन नहीं है। ये बहुत आया,
बहुत
ये सुबह में 2 बक्सा लेके आया, 2 बंदा। ट्रेन नहीं है, ट्रेन चालू होने के बाद ही।
okay. Thank you. So we are screwed. We'll be headed straight to Shillong. We'll find out what the situation at the checkpost is. A lot of flyovers here in Guwahati. Few are under construction, few are already open. The roads are nice, no traffic jam. Happy about that. This part of the city is the more developed part. Earlier what we saw towards that Paltan Bazaar and all that stuff, all the old structures, market area and all that. It's one straight road to the highway. Just a straight road. No left turns, no right turns, nothing. Any flyover we take, climb up, get on, keep continuing. Shillong, 84 kilometers. Sonapur, 15. Jagi Road, 42. So now we will exit Assam and enter Meghalaya. Finally some change in landscape. After all the flat barren land and paddy fields, we have some mountains and turns like these, so you can enjoy riding. Oh bhaiya bus. How do I go? There is no space. So we have to go inside. Now we are here at the checkpost in Meghalaya. To come here, you need to have your COVID report. If you don't have one, you can get yourself tested here. You need to apply for your e-invite online. Apply for the e-invite, register your vehicle yourself with your documents. If you're coming in a group, add the members, go to counter number 2. They will just scan the QR code, check your documents and send you off. That's it. He will give you a vehicle pass. That is all. And yes, Meghalaya welcomes you. We're done with our formalities here. This is the place. There are counters for everything here. From isolation room to VIP emergency room, there's a cafeteria. very clean. The procedure is very simple. No issues with that. तीन गाड़ी वो एक गाड़ी का है ना हाँ शिलोंग what a road, oh my god, wow. It's been a week almost. We took quite some time to reach Meghalaya, but yeah, it's worth it. And we're done with lunch at Sardarji Da Dhaba. And there is a special 10% discount for soldiers here. So any soldiers visiting here and having food or snacks will have 10% discount. It was bright and sunny when we walked into the restaurant. Now we're walking out, we're feeling the chills as well. You get food and snacks as well here, so nice. The food was good. I had chicken after 1 week. I ordered the entire plate for myself. These two didn't dare eat it. They're worried whether they fall sick. I will post a few short clips of the 360. I'll try posting them as soon as possible. So if you want to check those out, head on to my Instagram handle. The link is in the description and the ID will come up on the screen. There are a few rough patches and potholes, turnings actually. So trying to maneuver through that in this dark is not easy. Almost there. We came through some kind of a shortcut, I guess. So he's gonna purchase a pair of shoes since he's not carrying anything. Ivdu branch. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Ka State Bank Jonkari India. ಅದೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯೋ. So this is our stay in Shillong. So we are in Meghalaya, walking around the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly block. Administrative block of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. It's completely decorated for Christmas. Look at the amount of lighting. Christmas tree all around. It looked like a church to me initially. That's Shillong Center Point.